Hi there. In today's video, we will showcase the top 5 best home coffee makers you can buy this year. Let's start. KEURIG K Supreme Plus Coffee Maker. The dimensions of this high-quality, compact, easy-to-use coffee machine are approximately 8.3 by 13.4 by 12.4 inches. The newest KEURIG single-serve coffee maker from the Plus series has a modern brushed metal finish. The KEURIG K Supreme Plus is AC, our Best Buy pick, was awarded a 2020 Red Dot distinction for the innovative design of its carafe and is the first series of KEURIG brewer to include multi-stream technology. It brews coffee and K-cup pods in multiple ways. Choose from different brewing strengths, use the strong button for a bolder cup and the iced button for an extra strong brew to make iced coffee, then enjoy it over ice only. The KEURIG K Supreme Plus single-serve coffee maker is the only KEURIG with multi-stream technology that enables an all-around more complete extraction. ATOMI at 1573 Coffee Maker. This coffee maker requires 120 volts of electricity and is solely for use in the US and Canada. With its built-in stainless steel burr grinder, the machine can grind your beans in 8 different ways, from coarse to fine. It works with the free ATOMI Smart app to set up and control. You can start brewing a pot of coffee in the morning from your bed, turn the pot off while you're out during the day, or schedule your coffee to be hot and ready for when you return home. You can control it with your voice using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. This coffee maker is a little more on the expensive side, but it comes equipped with a range of features that ensure the perfect cup of coffee each morning. It has a 4-hour warming plate to keep your coffee fresh throughout the morning, a spill-free sensor that only brews coffee when the glass carafe is in position, and a reusable filter. Hamilton Beach 49350, our coffee maker. This small coffee maker can handle up to 12 cups, making it perfect for entertaining family and friends. With this smart coffee machine, you can use a simple Alexa command to either brew your coffee or set the Hamilton coffee maker to clean mode. If you're busy and in a rush, this Hamilton coffee machine has a feature that allows you to take a cup while using the automatic drip coffee maker to brew the rest of the pot. With a forward-facing water reservoir, it's easy to add water. It also has a swing-out brew basket and a cone-style filter to provide better coffee extraction. The automatic shutoff will help keep your coffee warm and save energy, as you can set it for 1 or 2 hours after brewing. Amazon Basics CM4008 CUL Coffee Maker. At number 4, we have the Amazon Basics CM4008 CUL Coffee Maker. This compact coffee maker is perfect for small spaces like apartments, dorm rooms, or workspaces. It features a 5-cup capacity and a stain-resistant warming plate that keeps your coffee warm until you turn it off. The coffee maker has a reusable filter, making it very convenient. Also, you can pause and serve your coffee at any point during the brew cycle thanks to its grab-a-cup auto-pause function. The water tank has a visible water window that allows you to see how much water is being added, ensuring precision measuring and overflow prevention. The OXO Good Grips Coffee Maker. This coffee maker has a built-in shower head that evenly sprays water over the coffee grounds, ensuring full saturation and more flavor extraction. It also has a simple dial interface with a backlit screen that displays the coffee freshness indicator and the number of cups being brewed. The carafe is made of double-walled stainless steel, designed to keep coffee hot for longer. The stainless steel water reservoir is BPA-free and can hold up to 1.5 liters of water. The machine measures 9.53 by 9.53 by 14.72 inches and the power cord is 40 inches long. The side of the machine has a compartment for convenient storage of the short cord. The coffee maker also includes a single-serve cup that conveniently fits over the mixing tube for brewing a smaller amount of coffee. We hope you've enjoyed our video on the best home coffee makers. Thanks for watching.